First you need to start off on a clean surface, whether it be a carpeted floor or a blanket. Your whole set includes the rim, glass, I don't know what to call those, self-tapping screws, legs, and the legs, each leg will come with the hardware already in it, and a center ring. Now to get started, you're going to remove the hardware from each leg. You're going to take each leg has a hole in it. The curved part goes to the top. You're going to take it, push it down, locate it with the hole. After you've located the hole, put the bolt head out. Sometimes it just takes a little finding. We're going to put our last leg in, and we're not going to tighten up until the very end. So there's your base. Still got a lot of play because it's not tightened up. That's normal. I'm going to come over here. Put the legs in. Now we're going to start tightening up the center. We're not going to go all the way yet. We'll save that for the very end. So with a 1/2 inch wrench, open or closed, and a 1/2 inch socket, you tighten these up. Then we're going to come around, we're going to attach our base to our top. Take one of these and a self-tapping sheet metal screw. You're going to take a drill with a 5/16 bit, not driver bit in it. There are no holes in the legs. These are self-tapping screws. They're going to make their own holes. So if you get a base with no holes on the bottom, that's what you're supposed to get. Just going to go around. Put all these in. And then we're going to come and do our final tightening. Now if you take it and it wobbles a lot, this one's not wobbling a lot, then just go ahead and tighten those center bolts again. And that's about it. If you need to level the table, just refer to the table leveling video, and that's all I have.